Hey, what's up guys, Bibo here, Fugatech, and today we'll be going over a rather short list of Samsung smartphones that were recently launched this year and are under 10,000 pesos. Alright, so first on the list we got the Samsung Galaxy A04e. This device sports a 6.5-inch HD Plus display with a resolution of 720 by 1600. You also get an octa-core chipset, MediaTek Helio P35. For a price tag of 6,490 pesos, you get the 3GB plus 32GB variant. But if you need more memory and storage, you can upgrade to the higher variant, which is the 4GB plus 64GB model for only 6,990. Plus, you also get the additional virtual RAM up to 4GB. This device also has a dual rear camera with a 2-megapixel depth sensor and a 13-megapixel main camera plus a 5-megapixel front camera. It also has a standard connectivity features such as dual SIM, 4G LTE, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, microSD card slot, and a 3.5 headphone jack. But the downside here is it charges via micro USB. Nonetheless, it still packs in a 5,000 mAh battery while also running Android 12. Now, onto the second one is the Samsung Galaxy A04. It's somewhat like a big brother to the A04e. So for starters, you get an upgraded main camera with now being a 50-megapixel lens. It also has a colorway of copper in contrast to the light blue colorway of the A04e, although the black color is still being offered. But the biggest change here is now it offers a USB Type-C port. It also supports a slightly faster charging at 15 watts, which is previously just a 10 watts micro USB charging on the A04e. Now the other difference is it has a much higher configuration as you can spec it up with 128GB of internal storage. Another significant difference is that the A04 comes with a Dolby Atmos audio. It means if you find yourself listening to music, playing games, or watching tons of videos, you have a better experience with the A04. Other than that, you get the same 6.5-inch HD Plus display, MediaTek Helio P35 processor, and extended virtual RAM. This device also has same 4G, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, microSD card slot, headphone jack, and a 5,000 mAh battery. For its price, the Samsung Galaxy A04 starts at 6,790 for the 3GB plus 32GB model, while the 4GB plus 64GB model is around 7,490. And the top-end variant, which has a 4GB plus 128GB of storage, for only 8,990. So you're looking at around 300 to 500 pesos price increase from the A04e. But if the better speaker, USB-C port, and better cameras are worth it to you, hey, why not, right? And for our final device, if you want to step things up a bit, you can get the Samsung Galaxy A04s. The main difference, you now get the Samsung chipset with the Exynos 850 processor. Another step up is in the display department, and yes, it's the same 6.5-inch HD Plus panel, but now with a 90Hz refresh rate, making it better, smoother when scrolling or even when playing some games. You also now see an extra camera at the back with a triple camera setup with a 15-megapixel main, 2-megapixel macro, and another 2-megapixel for the depth sensor. Up front is the same 5-megapixel selfie camera, and you also get the same Dolby Atmos support. And you also get a fingerprint scanner, which the A04e nor the A04 didn't have. But for the rest of its specs, it still has the same One UI 4.1, dual SIM card slots, a micro SD card slot, 4G LTE, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, a headphone jack, and a 5,000 mAh battery. The Samsung Galaxy A04s also comes in just one configuration, the 4GB plus 128GB model, and it's priced at 9,490. And there you have it. These are all the Samsung smartphones that are under 10,000 pesos. And if you like this video, don't forget to hit that like button. Also click that bell icon so you won't miss any of our future uploads. Also follow us on our social media accounts like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and TikTok. And make it a habit on visiting fugatech.com for your daily tech news and reviews. Once again, I'm B-Boy. Thanks for watching and see you on our next video.